Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you are new. Nice to have you around. I am back with my second flip through of a brand new book. Not sure why I've got it, why it's out, but found it on the works online. I know it is available in some of the shops, but didn't have it in mine. It is Nature Mandalas by Melpomene Chattipanegochu. I love Circle of Life, done quite a few pictures in it. Was going to get this regardless. I'm not a mandala person. I get bored quite easily, but do absolutely love her illustrations and do like a bit of nature, so I thought let's just get it. Had a quick flip through and actually I do really like it. So we've got the title page. And this page belongs to. And the first difference between this and the Circle of Life is, I will show you in a minute, whether it's meant to be like that, I don't know. But, oh hello, cheeky, single-sided, love it. So we've got a feather mandala. Then we have, it looks like hummingbirds and butterflies. Should we zoom in a little bit? Because I can. Woo. I see one. Paper's nice and thick, very smooth. Love this one. Technically not full mandala because the pictures are different in the middle, which is perfect because I won't get bored. This is cute, it's birds. My knowledge of nature is going to be very limited, so birds. No idea what type of birds, but birds. Butterflies, or maybe moths. They look like moths because they're fluffy. But cute like this one. Oh, didn't see them in the middle. Oh, that's really cute. Yes, tropical vibes. Flamingos, parrots, iguana. This is cool. Actually, the more you look at it, the more you see. I'm feeling these mandalas. These are not going to bore me. A dragonfly. If anybody watches Drag Race, you'll get that little reference. Again, a symmetrical, not a completely repetitive mandala. So I think I'm going to be okay with this book. Yes, books. Oh, hello. Parrots and snakes. Not sure how I feel about this one. Flowers, florally. Yeah. It's double-sided, so we can full on go on to town with markers on this. So even if I'm not really feeling that, wax some marker on, job done, boom. Cute koalas. And, do you know what that is? An emu, is that a thing? Fish. I like that they're not all circular. Like this has got a bit of a border. I'm feeling it. Cute. I've just nearly said something really stupid. I was like, why have we got an onion? It's not an onion, it's a bulb. Thought it was an onion growing. Ooh, lobsters. Very detailed. Cute. Is that the front cover? Yeah. This is nice. I like this one. Skulls, like it's a bit random, isn't it? But quite like. Oh, I like this one. Pomegranates. I don't know what they are. Raspberries. Pumpkins. Oh, yes. So it's quite seasonal, so I could save this for October. Oh. Oh, I like the moon. Phases of the moon. Like galaxy, asteroids. Nice. Love it. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, I like this one too. Really feeling this book. I don't really know what it is. A tree? Maybe? Don't know. Cute sunflower with sun in the middle. Feeling that one. Oh yeah, really limited colour palette. You could go literally just greens and yellows, oranges. That would look cool. Like this one. This is nice. Another maybe seasonal one. You've got some conkers in there, some pine cones. Oh, red panda, hello. Cute. Really cute. I like this one. Love this one. I genuinely do love this one. I don't know why I saw it before and thought I love this one. The cactuses really caught my eye. I like it. Cute. I really like this one, and I don't know why it's giving me like a maze vibe. But then the bugs, I really like. Not liking that, but colour it. Don't freak me out. Cute. I really like this one, like the apple tree and the horses. I really like it, but I don't know what it is. Obviously you can see these birds, but is it sky? Is it water? Oh, it's water, there's fish. I like it. Nice. It's really nice. Oh, I love this one as well. Cute. I like this one. In fact, do you know what? I might have just said I like this one. I like this one. I like this one. I like this one for 7 minutes. I do really like this book. This is cute. Nice. I mean, there's a lot of leaves. The end. So there we go. Got that from the Works online too, as you can see, £5. Loved it. What was your favourite page? Have you got it? Are you getting it? Is it too detailed? Let me know your thoughts. And I will try and get a page done this month. This month, lol. Soon. I'm just going to say soon. I am coming back with a colouring chart, and I've decided I've got 2 options. So I'm either going to do a page in here. So I'm either going to do this bug page and do a bug on each colouring chart, so it'll be like 3 parts. Or my second option is, you're getting a little sneak peek because this is just a random, just thought I'd throw it in there at the end. Another one is, I thought I would do this little like Italy page here, and I just do a square each colouring chart, you know, it's something simple little. I can just sit down, do it, bosh, boom, done, next one. Not decided yet. Have a colour palette for Forest Kingdom though. Just not decided what I'm going to go with, but this might just be a separate series, maybe a colour along with moi. But thanks for watching. As always, hit that thumbs up, please hit subscribe, leave me a little comment and I will get back to you. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. So for now, adios.